after about 15 minutes, Hunter falls asleep. Then he wakes up and says his back hurts, so he lays on the floor of the blind. Then he gets up and he falls back asleep. Then some turkeys come in, basically fall asleep 10 yards from us. He doesn't want to shoot. Then a doe and 2 yearlings come in. He passes. Then some time goes by and he wants to go back in because it's boring. Then an owl swoops right over our head. He almost crapped his pants. Right? You nearly crapped your pants. Then a yearling comes in the edge of the field and he wants to shoot that one. It's about 100 yards away. I tell him no, he should have shot the one that was 10 yards away. Then he says he's bored again. And then right before dark, a nice, I think it was an 8-pointer, is in the bait pile. And he didn't even see it. I said, hey, Hunter, there's a buck in the bait pile. What? You sure? You sure it's a buck? Yeah, get your gun. Gets his gun up, puts it right behind the shoulder. He's hyperventilating.
It would have already happened if you took it and looked through the scope. It's gotta be pretty good.
And then he pulls the trigger, click, misfire. I get the gun. After about a minute of screwing with it, reload it. The buck's still standing there, unbelievably. I say, all right, hurry up and shoot because it's not going to give you much time. Click. Happens again. Buck takes off.
We got past